Namaste. Team Fomento welcomes Dr. Naresh Kumar Kataria ji, Regional Controller of Mines, Indian Bureau of Mines, Regional Office Goa, on this International Yoga Day, which is celebrated by lakhs and lakhs of people across the world. Sir is from IIT Dhanbad. He is a BTech from IIT Dhanbad. Sir has done his LLB law, and Sir is also a PhD doctor. Prior to joining IBM, Sir worked with top companies across India. Then he joined government, and presently he is posted here. Yoga is India's gift to the world. It started from India and it has spread all across the world. जो इस बार योगा डे है उसका थीम है. Theme is One Earth, One Health. With this theme, it is being celebrated all across the globe now. As she said, योग से हमारा physical well-being, mental well-being and spiritual well-being अच्छा होता है. That is how lakhs of people across the world practice this day in and day out. We welcome you again, sir, for this small function.